To edit a page, go to Pages, hover over the page you want to edit. In our case, we'll start with the home page, and then click Edit. To edit text, click on any text you want to change, and simply start typing like you would in a word processor. Use the floating toolbar to make formatting changes like bolding text or adding links. Next, let's work with images. There are two kinds. Regular images are easy to change. Simply click it, and in the right sidebar, click Change Image, and then Upload or pick a new one. The second kind is background or embedded images, which are images that are part of a layout. To replace these, click on the section or block surrounding the image. In the right sidebar, find the background image section. This might be under Style, and then click Change Image. Again, you can upload your own, or you can search for stock images using the tab at the top of the Select Image page. You can make additional adjustments to images using the settings in the right sidebar. For example, I want to add an overlay gradient to this image so that there's better contrast with the text. To update buttons, click on a button and then type to update the text. Some buttons you'll set to a destination by clicking on them and then using the link button in the toolbar. Other types, like this button here from this template, you'll click on and then use the right sidebar to set a link. For links that you set with the right sidebar, you can link to specific pages by putting / and then the URL slug for the page you want to link to. In my case, I'll link this button to the blog page. For other types of buttons, when you click the link icon in the floating toolbar, you can simply type the name of the page you want to link to, and then select it from the list. To add new content to your page, click on the plus button in the top left. From here you can add individual blocks, which are things like text, images, buttons, etc. Or you could add patterns. Patterns are pre-built layouts, things like About sections or Call to Action. Click the section to add it. To delete a section, click the block or container, then click backspace or delete. Alternatively, you can click the three dots in the floating toolbar and then click delete. Here's a tip. Use the list view at the top left, indicated by the three lines, for a full outline of your page. It's super helpful for navigating complex layouts.